And this lady over here had pain in her left shoulder. And tonight in the meeting.
How long did you have it for?
Since the Paradise Fire.
4 years ago. Wow. Now move your arm around. Do what you're going to do. No pain, lady.
No pain.
Give the Lord a mighty hand. Enjoy your miracle, sister. God bless you.
She was supposed to have surgery in her hip, and
It doesn't hurt anymore.
Doesn't hurt anymore.
No, it doesn't hurt.
You don't need a surgery anymore then.
It doesn't hurt.
Give the Lord a mighty hand. Enjoy your miracle. God bless you. Take a deep breath now. You couldn't breathe like that before. It would hurt. When you take a deep breath now, no pain. Give the Lord a mighty hand. Enjoy your miracle, sister. God bless you. Come over here. What happened to her?
she had muffled hearing. And in the meeting tonight, Jesus healed her.
Yes, I've been struggling with ear infection and clogged tubes behind my eardrums, so it was really hard to hear. And today, like, I feel liquid coming out from my ears, and it's weird because I don't hear my voice inside my head anymore, and I can hear the claps and like. And my sister-in-law were talking to me. I was like, oh my God, because I've been dealing with this for over like a year, you know, and it's like, it just hears like you have a surround system, you know?
Give the Lord a mighty. Enjoy your miracle, sister. God bless you. You came in on that walker. Interesting. So you came in here with this thing. Now walk and show me. Come on, give Jesus a mighty hand clap. You couldn't walk like that before.
No, not without the support.
Not without the support. But now without the support, you're walking. You'll never need it again.
Ever since he was a child, he felt depressed, but tonight the joy of the Lord hit him and he feels completely set free.
I've always had envy for people that can smile and cry and enjoy life because I've always fought and wanted to be able to enjoy that with people, but I've always had to pretend. And tonight I'm not pretending.
Come on, give Jesus a mighty hand clap. The Bible says the gospel is the power of God unto salvation. And if you believe, you will see the glory of God. Tonight, if you believe, you will see